Distinguished guests, fellow leaders, ladies and gentlemen, it's a true honor to join you here at the 28th Eurasian Economic Summit. I want to thank the Marmara Group Foundation for continuing to create space for meaningful dialogue under the powerful theme, the more humane world. As someone who had the privilege of serving as Lebanon's Minister of Economy and who now chairs Cedrus Invest Bank, I've witnessed the economic shifts, shocks, and innovations that define our region. And I've come to believe that digital banking represents one of the most transformative forces of our time. Today, we're not just talking about technology or finance. We are talking about a new social contract, how we connect people to opportunity, empower communities, and build systems that are more inclusive, more efficient, and more resilient. Let's start with the opportunities, because they are powerful and within reach. First, the financial inclusion. Across many emerging markets, millions remain outside the formal banking system, not by chance, but by circumstance. Traditional banks have struggled to reach people in remote towns, informal urban settlements, and undeserved areas where branches simply doesn't exist or don't exist. But today, with just smartphone and connectivity, digital banks can provide secure accounts, payment tools, savings, and credit to individuals who were once invisible in the financial sector. Second, operational efficiency and scale. Digital banks are not burdened by cost of physical infrastructure. They can scale faster, reach wider, using digital onboarding, AI-powered risk management, and real-time data analytics. In short, they can do more with less, serving customers with agility and precision. Third, the youth factor. In regions like the MENA, Sub-Saharan Africa, and South Asia, over 60% of the population is under the age of 30. This is a mobile-first generation. They expect their banking experience to be as smooth as their social media feeds, instant, intuitive, and personalized. For them, a digital bank isn't a novelty, it's a necessity. Fourth, the new ecosystems of collaboration. We are seeing innovative partnerships between banks, telecoms, fintech startups, e-commerce platforms, and even government agencies. These ecosystems are allowing financial services to be embedded into people's daily lives, offering seamless access to microloans, digital wallets, insurance, and more, all from a single interface. But let's also be honest about the challenges. First, the first challenge is trust. In banking, trust is everything. And yet in many emerging markets, trust in digital platforms is still fragile. People need to feel that their money is safe, that their data is protected, and that the system will work, especially in times of crisis. A single cyber attack or service disruption can undo years of progress. Second, the regulation. The pace of innovation is outstripping the speed of regulation. Many countries still lack comprehensive digital banking frameworks, clear rules around digital KYC, cloud hosting, cross-border services. Without a modern regulatory environment, innovation risks becoming fragmented and unsafe. Third, the infrastructure. Even as mobile penetration grows, many regions still suffer from unreliable electricity, spotty internet access, and limited digital literacy. The foundation for digital banking must be strong, because even the best designed platform is useless if people cannot get online or don't know how to use it simply. Fourth, the financial education. Technology is only part of the solution. We must also invest in educating people on how to manage money, protect themselves from fraud, and build financial resilience. Digital literacy and financial literacy must go hand in hand. So what's the way forward? We need more than digital banks. We need digital banking ecosystems, collaborative networks where traditional banks, startups, regulators, educators, civil society, and global partners work together with a shared mission. At CIDRS, we're working on building just that, a next-generation digital banking innovative in Lebanon, one that respects our country's traditions while embracing the agility and intelligence of the digital age. We're focusing on trust, accessibility, and purpose-driven innovation because we believe that banking is not a service, it's a form of empowerment. Let me close with this. A digital bank isn't simply a new piece of infrastructure. It's a bridge, a dignity, inclusion, and hope. In times of economic pressure, political volatility, and forced migration, it can provide the tools people need to protect their future, tools to save, to build, to invest, and to dream. Let us meet this moment not just with bold ambition, but with vision, not just with code, but with compassion, not just with platform, but with purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear Minister.